Hi everyone, welcome to Appliance Advisors. I'm Francesco, joined as always by Dennis.
Hi, Fran.
So today we're going to talk about two of really the most popular washing machine brands on the market, and that's Samsung versus LG. So let's look at it as a whole. Let's compare those two brands and kind of what they bring to the table when it comes to washing machines. Let's start with LG.
Yeah, LG, listen, you don't have to look too far. Look at any ratings. LG generally dominates 1 through 10.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it might have 9 of the top 10 machines. So they've really innovated. They really have everything going for it. They can be everything from wash towers that are all in one to large capacity, easy to use controls, multiple colors. I mean, it's really endless. Like anything, we would take you through a good, better, best strategy.
Sure.
You know, things like steam important to you, how important is size, the physical size of the space. But, you know, LG, it's almost tough to talk about one thing because they really do everything really, really well in laundry.
Yeah, absolutely. And really these brands are both kind of super innovative brands, you know. So again, like you said, you know, they start kind of on the lower end and go up, and certainly features definitely change as you go up in models, but you know, both will give you kind of the ability in some models to have that automatic dispense, which is really nice. On the Samsung too, they have, you know, both again, really smart controls with the app base. You can remotely start and pause cycles. Samsung on their washer too, some pretty cool features where they have kind of dual nozzles there, where one will kind of spray in the foam, another one kind of just rinses it out. So try to get the detergent mixed into the clothes better there. They both really have super speed wash as well, with under 30-minute wash and power wash there. You know, really kind of hard. Depending on exact models, we would definitely get into that more, but I'd say overall, both super innovative. Both will give you a lot of those kind of really nice features there as well.
Yeah, I think two good options. It's really, you know, based on you. And the one thing with those companies, you got to go to stores to check them out. Definitely. Ideally brick and mortar stores, so someone can explain something, because the innovation in there, they change a lot. Yeah. So their model lineup is constantly changing and evolving. So you just want to make sure you're dealing with someone that knows kind of the appliances and ins and outs, so you make an informed decision.
Yeah, and we've talked about wash towers, the LG wash tower before in a different episode, where they kind of have those controls in the middle there. You know, one thing that both of these brands have brought to the table in certain models is the ability to actually control the dryer with just the washer control. So you can still have those two separate units, but not have to reach all the way up to use the dryer there as well. So again, both really good brands to consider there. And I think that kind of covers it for that.
There you go.
Thanks for tuning into this episode of Appliance Advisors.
Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications to never miss out on our latest episodes.
Check out our suggested video right here for expert advice on your next appliance purchase.
And don't forget to follow us on social media.
Your feedback is what shapes our series. Drop us some thoughts in the comments below. We'd love hearing from you.
This is Appliance Advisors signing off.